Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Greg Luther coming at you a little late here today. I've been traveling a lot, as you've seen, and I want to talk to you a little bit about agents that are getting deals at 97, 98 cents a lead. This is ridiculous. So if you've been following us for a little while, you know we've been doing an awful lot with some Facebook marketing, not on this page and not through this video marketing or anything like that, but just running simple little ads on Facebook utilizing their ad platform. It's been absolutely phenomenal, not only for us, but for literally thousands of agents around the country. Just today, we had our Inner Circle coaching call. So I have something called Greg Luther Inner Circle. Here's the mouse pad for it here. We have Greg Luther Inner Circle and lots of members from all around the country where we show them what to do to start generating more buyers and sellers. Anyway, every other week, we have a video conference call where we're going over what's working really well for real estate agents right now. Sometimes we interview other agents, some of our members. Sometimes we interview pros that are out there or people that can help us with growing our business. And today, we interviewed my Facebook guru, my full-time employee here, Derek, who works all of our Facebook ads for us. And he showed everybody how we have agents all over the country for less than $1 a piece. They're generating good quality buyers and sellers. And here's the cool part. The buyers and sellers are actually anticipating meeting with you. Now, I want to make sure you get that. Okay, if you've had the fake kind of leads before, I've often said, you know, like Zillow will swipe somebody's information and sell it to you and call that a lead. No, it's not a lead. It's their contact info that they've swiped by making them log into something, and then they sell that to 6 realtors. That's not a lead. They're mad when you call. They don't know why you're calling. They'll say, oh, I didn't fill that out. I don't remember doing that. We're not in a hurry, that type of thing. This is completely different because it specifically says, by requesting this information, you want a professional real estate agent to come out and give you a free 15-minute consultation about the sale of your home, the value of your home, how to increase the value $10,000 or more. You know, whatever those factors are, whatever your offer is. So when you get leads like that, and they say, here's my name, phone number, address, and email, they're anticipating meeting with you. Well, we actually showed today, I don't have the screenshots here to show you. If you were on the call, you saw it. We showed on our Inner Circle coaching call today, agents from all over the country generating leads at 97 cents, 98 cents a piece, some of them up to $1.36. But these are people that are ready to roll right now. So again, it's not using organic. It's not using social media, you know, where we're trying to get friends and fans and all that stuff. That's not how you sell real estate. This is from actual advertising. Now, whether you believe it works or not, whether you think advertising works or it's overrated or you need to brand yourself or whatever your head stuff is that you believe in the real estate market, here's what I can promise you. You use the right approach, you need a freaking $10 bill to get yourself a closing. If you do it the right way, you don't have to make some big commitment. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars and sign up for their programs, and there's a startup fee of $2,000, and it takes 6 months to do. No, you need $10 tomorrow, and that's how you generate business. We've shown some of those ads. If you've been on the Inner Circle calls, of course, we give you everything. We've shown you that as a coaching member with us. You can actually see kind of a preview of that Facebook training if you go to, I can't recall the website. I'll think of it in a minute. LutherCall.com. If you go to LutherCall.com, you'll see a little preview of that, a couple of ads that are working really well. But the key here is, how do you go about your advertising platform where you don't need to spend $300 or $1,000 or something like that? How can you do it cost effectively and get in front of the right quality of people? Getting a quality lead that actually wants to speak with you. Not that they've been tricked into giving their information. And that's what makes me mad about Realtor.com, Zillow, HomeGate, all of these different sites that are out there where they'll say, yeah, we can show you all the properties. Just log in right here. Give us your email and phone number. And then they'll swipe that contact info and sell it to 6 realtors and call them leads. They'll say, yeah, you want some leads? We got some leads over here. No, you don't. You stole contact information and siphoned it out to 6 different realtors, and then the realtors are calling them and the prospects are mad. They're like, how'd you get my number? And I know you've had those conversations with your prospects before as well. So I want you to think about the most cost-effective ways of generating buyers and sellers in today's market. And here's what I mean by that. We're all familiar with like geographic farming, sending postcards, sales letters, that type of thing. Be honest with me. How much does it cost you to send a letter or send a postcard? Let's say it's an oversized postcard. I don't have one here, but let's say it's an oversized postcard. How much does it cost? Well, to get one of these stamps, I don't know because it changes every year, but to get one of these stamps, it's about 50 cents, right? 51 cents to get one of these. And then we have to print the postcard, and you've got labor involved. Is it fair to say you've got 96 cents to send to one freaking house? What if you were generating leads that want to meet with you for under $1? Save the stamp. You don't even need to do that. So I want you to start thinking about your marketing that way, and that you can get in front of people in the most cost-effective way possible. You got to know how to do it. You got to know how the ad sets work. But again, with what we covered on that call today, and if you were on there, you saw it, generating leads that want to speak with you and want to meet you at 98 cents a piece, come on. As a matter of fact, for those of you who were on there, you saw it today. I don't remember, was it 36 or 37 leads in 6 days? So this month, in the month of March, in the first 6 days of the month, he generated 36 or 37 leads, averaging 98 cents a piece. Probably ought to learn how to do that, right? So start looking at marketing in a profitable light rather than thinking it's an expense. It's only expense if you don't know what you're doing. Like if you're doing magazine ads, or you're doing like the banner with your information across the top and then a whole bunch of listings. You're never going to get calls from that. That's not marketing. You already know. You've heard agents say, well, you got to advertise your houses somewhere, right? It keeps the sellers happy. No, you do not. Go sell that house and get the buyer yourself by using a targeted marketing approach. So anyway, I want you to check that out and do a little bit of research for yourself. That's how you start making more money. I authentically want you to just start generating more closings for yourself. I'm doing fine. I don't need to sell you into anything. I want you to use good, solid practices so you can start selling more houses. If you understand how to attract business, buyers and sellers with a good offer that's magnetically attractive, you'll find that they will, in fact, be magnetically attracted to you. You'll have more appointments than you ever had before. So again, there's a couple of samples. If you're not an Inner Circle member, that's fine if that's the case. There's a couple samples on luthercall.com. If you go there, you can check it out. And start looking at actual advertising on Facebook. I actually teach a program on that. You'll learn about it on that website. But I teach that you don't want to have followers. Like literally zero. I'm not saying a small amount. Zero. You don't need any with this type of advertising. If you already have a business page on Facebook, do not use that. Don't use your personal page. Don't use your business page. That's not how you generate buyers and sellers in today's marketplace. You will waste whatever money you spend. And any company that calls you and says, well, you should sign up for our stuff and we'll do ads management and we can get it promoted out there and we'll do retargeting, and any other websites they go to, your stuff comes in front of, that's all branded crap. And it's not going to generate the business that you need. So utilize sound advertising principles. You're going to do very well for yourself. If you have questions on it, you can comment to me here on Facebook. You can even leave comments on YouTube if you're later watching the recording on YouTube. Of course, you can email us, whatever you need to do. I'd love to help you to get yourself closing some more transactions. So if you've got questions, reach out to me, let me know. If you find this stuff helpful, by the way, like this page, like this video, follow our page here. I do a Facebook Live every single day, and sometimes you're going to love it and it rings true with you and it's exactly what you need to hear. And sometimes you're like, that's not really where I'm at with my business right now. And both ways are fine. But again, like this video, follow the page, and let's get your business going in the right direction. Check out Facebook advertising and learn from people that are doing it the right way in today's market. Until then, we'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.